We are focusing now on the next years. We are approaching already the next Perio conference, which will take place in London, and it will be important to implement these events in our strategy in order to gain more momentum in the whole concept. And so I think that the decisions we took at the last EC meeting of the Executive Committee are important as regards the achievement of the strategy Periodontal Health for a Better Life. The number of countries has increased, and we are receiving applications also from many non-European countries to become part of the group, which tells us that the focus and the spirit of our organization is correct, because that we are attractive and we are trying to help also to increase the standards of education in the different countries in order to improve the quality of periodontal diagnosis and treatment on a national level. And this is something which is respected and which has been attracted a lot of interest also by other countries which are now coming to us and are interested in joining the group. I think that this is one of the major tasks of the EFP, to support the national societies of the member countries in order to improve and harmonize the standards of education and to improve the quality of education if necessary, and achieve a common standard which is helpful for the profession in the different countries. We are always adapting our structures in order to improve efficacy of our work, and we are currently implementing a new group who will specifically concentrate on these aspects where we need professional support, because we cannot do everything by ourselves. We can provide the scientific evidences and the contents, but the spread of the information will have to be done by professionals who know how to open the different channels of information in order to get the maximum output for us.